In this tutorial, you will learn how to install Sling TV on your Amazon Fire Stick. Before you begin the installation, ensure your Fire Stick is set up and connected to your TV. Connect the Fire Stick to an available HDMI port on your television. Plug the power adapter into the Fire Stick and connect it to a power outlet. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where the Fire Stick is connected. To install Sling TV, you need to enable the installation of apps from unknown sources. Navigate to the Fire Stick home screen, select the settings option that looks like a gear icon, scroll right and choose Fire TV. Click on Developer option, turn on apps from unknown sources by selecting it and toggling it to the on-off position. This allows you to install apps not available in the Amazon App Store. The Downloader app will help you download Sling TV. From the Fire Stick home screen, go to the search option that looks like a magnifying glass icon, type Downloader in the search bar, and select it from the search results. Choose the Downloader app and click Download or Get to install it. Now that you have the Downloader app, you can download Sling TV. Open the Downloader app in the URL field, enter the Sling TV download link, which you can find on this link or on the Sling TV website or a trusted source. Click Go. The Sling TV APK file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, click on Install. After the installation is finished, you can choose to open Sling TV or return to the home screen. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.